Hello, welcome to this review of the Wall Crawler Gecko. It is a remote control gecko, and what really caught my eye on this is this futuristic look. As you can see, it's no ordinary appearing gecko, but it has this robotic like body and features to it. And it has some really cool colors. I like the really neon green colors for the head and the limbs and the tail. The tail has a really thin rubber to it, and you have some really light plastic to it. So you have to keep it light for its main function, or the most fun function, and that is crawling on the wall. So this sort of reminds me of the plastic that is used on many RCs that I collect as well. So now at the bottom here, you'll notice that there's a wheel on either side here. And that wheel is what actually propels this toy forward and backwards and help us to move around. The limbs actually don't really touch the floor much, or at all, really. It's those wheels that actually gives it that movement, and you have the appearance of a lizard sort of running on the floor just from these little rods here. You have one on the front here, one in the back, and it sort of gives it that sort of appearance that it is scooting across the floor. You have to be careful and choose the right type of surface that you want to play with this on, because it won't do well with the carpet. With these wheels, the carpet would just be too thick for them to function well. So it works best on tiles and smooth surfaces. Even surfaces that have some bumps and grooves may get it caught up on there. But sometimes you can work it out with just a controller, or you may have to scoot it along a bit. And of course, you don't have those problems on the wall, and it just goes up the wall really well. It has the nice, really red glowing eyes, which is pretty cool. And it has a switch at the bottom here. You push it far to the left, it turns off. Right in the middle is for floor crawling mode. And then if you turn it all the way to the right, this that it gets really loud. So these fans kick on, and I guess is providing some sort of suction to it that allows it to stick to the wall. Is pretty cool. And it sticks to the wall pretty well. It didn't fall off once while I was testing it, and it worked out. Here's the controller pad for it, and any kid or most kids would be very familiar with these and comfortable with using them because they set up like a gaming pad. You have the forward, backward, side to side movement with it, and it takes two AAA batteries. The Gecko itself, you just charge it using a charging cable that comes with it. So you have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and about 45 minutes of charging will give you about 20-25 minutes according to my run of activity from this Gecko. Overall, I think this thing is a blast. I think it's a winner. I really enjoyed testing this out, and it comes highly recommended. Thank you for watching.
That's so funny. Have him go full speed across the top. He's so cute. There you go.